Welcome to Zervise for Slack. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create, manage tasks in Zervise for Slack. Whether you're an agent or a user, managing your tasks has never been easier. To begin, navigate to the All Tasks. Here, users and agents can manage their tasks. At the top of the task list, you'll find an Add Task input. Enter the task title and press Enter. Once the task title is entered, you can set additional details. Choose a due date, priority level, and select a channel. When you're done, submit the task. After the task is created, you can view it on the All Tasks tab. Head over to your selected Slack channel, and you'll find a message with the new task details. You and other team members can post replies or notes in the thread of the Slack message to collaborate on the task. Whether you're a user or an agent, you can stay on top of your to-do list and streamline your work. Thank you for watching.